will give a brief overview of how to use Google Slides and will include some design tips to consider when creating your presentation. You can create a new Slideshow document by having a Google account and going to Google Slides, going to Google Drive, or logging in to a Gmail account and clicking Drive from the grid options. From Drive, you can click New, Google Slides, and choose either a blank presentation or from a template. If you are working in groups, only one person needs to initially create the file. You can then share it with group members to edit by clicking Share, naming the presentation, and then you can manually enter your group members' email addresses, clicking the pencil to allow them to edit, or you can click Get Shareable Link, and selecting anyone with the link can edit, copying the link, and sending that to anyone who needs it to be able to edit it. To edit your slides, you can use pre-designed templates available here, or again up here by clicking Theme and selecting one that interests you. You can change the layout of the slide by clicking Layout and choosing one from the available layouts. You can choose Background to change the background color or to an image. And you could change the theme by clicking Theme again. There are other design tools available like lines, shapes, or text boxes. And then there are also arrows to undo changes or redo edits. The plus symbol, and specifically this triangle to the right, will let you add slides and let you choose the layout of the slide you'd like. You can also enter text in a text box and change the font using the tools on the toolbar. You can insert images using the landscape icon on the toolbar, or by clicking Insert, Image, and then the source. You can use keywords to search for an image and insert it. You can select the image you like and insert it. Clicking the image will let you resize it with the blue handles. And having the cross arrows will allow you to drag and move the image around. You can also click Format Options for more edit capabilities, such as changing the transparency, the size and position, or even the color. Right-clicking the highlighted object will let you change the order of how it lays on the slide. For example, you can move an image behind a text or move text in front of an image. So you can send this backwards, so that the text is on top of the image. Inserting a video is done the same way by clicking Insert and Video, and then choosing your source or searching for a video. And adding it in. Under the format options for the video, it'll allow you to choose how it will be played back, such as at a certain time or ending at a certain time, or automatically playing when you present it. If you do not change any of the settings, the video will need to be clicked to be played when you present it. To present, or even preview how it will look when you present, you can click Present. To exit out, you can click Escape on your keyboard. You can add comments to any of the work or any of the work that others have done on your slideshow by clicking this icon, this comment icon, or right-clicking and adding a comment. These comments will be seen by anyone who has access to the file, and you can delete comments by clicking Resolve, or at the three dots, clicking Delete. To see what others have added or changed, you can go to File, Version History, and see Version History. When the presentation is complete, you can send it to anyone by again clicking Share and sending them a link to be able to edit or view. You can also download a final version as a PowerPoint file by going to File, Download As, and PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint PPTX. As you are creating your presentation, here are some design tips to consider. Choose a font that is easy to read. Stick to only one or two fonts and be consistent through the presentation. Sans serif is easier to read than serif font because that has more curves on the letters. Choose a font size that is easy to read for your audience, nothing too big or too small. Use colors that stand out from the background without being painful to the eye. And stick with a few colors to maintain a theme. Use bullet points to focus the viewer's eye on key points. Try to keep it to less than 4 bullets per slide and expand upon the points when you speak. Only include any images or media if it supports the points in your slide. Place it near the corresponding point so the viewer can make the connection. Eliminate it if it doesn't relate or serve a purpose. Include visuals, but not too many, and avoid animations like GIFs, slide transitions, or moving text because it can be distracting. And of course, you want your audience to be interested as well as informed, so have fun with it. I hope this video tutorial was helpful, but if you do have questions, you can contact the help desk or stop by the Cal Center in Bush Hall for more information.